Yeah, welcome back. Now, I want to execute anyone randomly for each iteration. For that, what I'll use a random controller. Random controller. Once only controller will execute whatever the request or transaction inside it only once. Now, if I put all these transactions under random controller. Now here I am running with 5 different users. Let me, instead of loop, I'll put so that you'll understand properly. 5 users. So we need to know, right, which user is picking. So for that, we'll put this user number. This logical controller's name will not be displayed in our results. In the results, you'll see only your transaction controller names on. So here, user is, at the time of recording, I have recorded 5 different clicks or 5 different transactions, we can call. But client want to execute. Okay. After that, just go back home. Anyone randomly, then go back home. Now I'm running with users, right? I'm running with 5 different users. You will see each user should pick random one click. Okay. Just run this. User 1. Okay, user 1 clicks. Okay, let me put it here also so that we'll have it. Right now we'll have a proper idea which user is executing which transaction. User 1 launches, user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5 also launches. Now, user 1, they can find flights already executed. Right? Now, where is user 1? Yeah, user 1, third one, it has executed the third one. Under 1, 2, 3, 4. User 1 has picked the third one. User 2 has picked the fourth one. User 5 has picked the second one. So randomly means they can pick the same thing, but randomly it will try to execute. User 3, fifth one. User 4, second one. User 5 also, second one. So here, if you observe, each user will try to pick the random action here. Okay. On this. Now you'll get a clear idea. User 1 using the first one, user 2, he has picked the second one. third one, user 4 fifth one, user 3 second one, user 5 fifth one. So for next iteration, again this entire thing will change it. Now this time user 1 picked fifth one, user 2 picked 4, user 3 picked 5th, user 4 picked 1. So randomly each user is clicking only one button here, if you observe. They are not executing all the transactions here. Just like our requirement, each user will click any one button or any one link here. So this kind of requirement you can fulfill with random controller. Okay, this is like a random controller. Here my requirement is to select anyone randomly. But if my client says that in your next execution, now this time I want you to click all the links, but not in a serial order. It should be like first in this, second time it can be this one, it can be this one, or this one. The order should be zigzag or randomly it should execute. But try to click all the links. So you need to click all the links, but not in a serial order, random order. Okay. So how do you click all the things in a random order? So for that, we'll use another controller. So here we have random controller, random order controller. So I'll put the same thing under random order controller. So here I can run with single user, you'll understand. Let me run this for multiple iterations. Now this time I put under random order, right? Now, okay, first let's run for only one iteration. So instead of iterate this number, we'll put iteration, then you'll understand. Where is the iteration? Now, first iteration, it has picked the fifth order, right? Order, you can see first iteration 5, 1, 4, 3. This order too, but it will try to execute all the actions inside that controller. Maybe for second iteration, the order will change. This is the second iteration. For third iteration, the order will change. First, it has executed 4th, 2nd, 5th, 1, 3. Next time 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. The order changes only, but it will execute all the requests or all the transaction under random order controller. In random controller, it will execute any one for each user. For each user, this will execute all, but randomly it will execute. Right. So these are all the different types of controllers we need to practice, and tomorrow we'll see more advanced level, like implementing the instead of code, what are the other controllers we can use for implementing the advanced level logic, that we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Yeah.